I didn't vlog today because I'm horrible, but here's a video of me hanging out with Charlie. He's the little dog. I mean, he's the dog from next door. We hung out at Kalina's, and I avoided doing anything other than just hanging out because that's what I like to do. All right, yeah, that's it. Sorry, my bad. Hello. Let me tell you the story of how I got to this moment today. Hi.
Hi.
Both are chewing gum in our mouths right now. That's horrible. Alright, so I woke up this morning and I had a newborn photo shoot. Let's insert that. I think I did something. And then after that, I went home. And I worked. And then I was getting ready for my mom to come over because we're going to the theater tonight. And we get in the car to leave, and then this happens. Here I sit at the turnaround on 16 Mile and Moravian because my car decided it was going to stop, and it sounded like I hit something, like something dropped from my car.
So we don't see nothing.
Well, we don't see anything. My mom's with me. We're going to the theater tonight to see Motown the musical, if we ever get there. Sitting in a tow truck. Wish I could have recorded what just happened, but I was driving, so I couldn't. The drive shaft is broken. Do you remember Drive Shaft, the band that Charlie was in on Lost?
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah, we're so smart. That's what's wrong. It's broken. So all the noises that I was hearing a few weeks ago, it was probably telling me my drive shaft is gonna break. It's cool. Mom looked it up though. It's between 150 and
180 and 300.
We'll say 400.
Plus labor.
So then we get back with a tow truck, get in my mom's car, go to my brother's house. And then we went to dinner, and now we're here. So we're at the Fisher Theater, and we're gonna go see Motown the musical.